And if you look at the sectors which have done well even during this fall, one of them would be Nifty Financial Services. Looks great on the chart. It has made a higher bottom when Nifty broke its previous lows and gave a short-term reversal sign as well. And the sector is largely trading between 22,200 and 24,200 range for last couple of months. I think it can show good leadership going forward whenever Nifty bottoms out. Clearly, the leadership has come from the Bajaj twins, and look at the ICICI Bank and the HDFC banks. They are pretty much trading there. At Nifty 25,000, 26,000 levels. So I think going forward, this sector, which is looking really strong on the chart in terms of relative strength, as well as some of its components are very very strong despite so much fall in the markets. I would definitely look at this sector very seriously whenever there is a reversal signal in the market. Next sector could be the Nifty metal sector. If you look at the fall from October 2024 till date, that has been crossed if you connect the trend line. So clearly sign of reversal in the metal space. Plus, if you see when the market was falling between Jan and Feb, this sector has gone sideways and formed a base, and now clearly cross those highs, which is equivalent to 23,800 on Nifty. So clearly, the leadership is coming from metal space as well. One should look at its component, very seriously going forward. I think this space can also offer a great risk reward, in my opinion. And coming back to one of the interesting sector which has done well in 2023 as well as mid of 2024 is Nifty Energy, which is comprising of power stocks as well. So clearly, the fall seems to be a little extended, in my opinion. Plus, there is an RSI divergence, and the price has come out of this wedge, you can say. I think going forward, the power stocks or the energy stocks can really come back and give a bounce. I think as an investor, I would definitely look at this sector as a great opportunity, keeping 6 to 12 months, in my opinion. And if somebody is, as I said, scared of investing in the market, I think you should look at possible leaders. Clearly, some signs are visible in financial services and the metal space, as well as the energy sector can also offer a good risk reward. Coming back to the another sector which has done well in 2023 was the real estate, wherein the stocks have done like 3 to 5 times. Has corrected well in the recent falls. And if you look at the technical pattern, it is falling, it is forming a kind of a falling wedge, trying to break out. I think a good bounce back can come in this space. Looking at the leaders like DLF, Godrej Properties, and Oberoi, I think the index has placed itself in a right spot, post this correction, to offer great value for the investors as well as traders. Coming back to the mid caps and the small caps, which have been beaten very badly, I think the overall trend seems to be down from medium term point of view, but we could definitely get a short term reversal, and some signs are visible. Looking at the relative strength, looking at the price action, I think we can definitely get a bounce back. Which can give an exit route for investors which are stuck at higher levels. But definitely it will take some more time for mid cap and the small cap to come back to the party. As of now, what I could see is a good bounce back of about 8-10%. And post that, we need to review how the price action can form, and whether we will get a pattern in order to analyze the future course. So similar set of candles have been formed, or the chart is similar to the mid caps if you look at the small cap index right now. So again, clearly, there was a bottoming out in the last couple of days, and we clearly see a short-term pullback in the small cap space as well. If you see the various sectors as we discuss, so metals and financial services clearly stand out as leaders. PSU banks and the private banks are also looking great on the chart. Real estate and the energy sector could be a bounce back sectors in my opinion. Plus the metals and the mid caps and the small cap could definitely become a bounce back for investors to chip in and look for a long term opportunities in my opinion. But the trend to reverse in mid cap and small cap will definitely take some more time.